natural health for beginners.
How to make Castile soap. In this video, we'll walk you through how to make Castile soap from scratch, sharing a detailed recipe, including all the quantities you'll need. Castile soap is a versatile, all-natural soap made from vegetable oils, traditionally olive oil, and is known for being gentle on the skin and eco-friendly. What you'll need: here's a breakdown of the ingredients and quantities. Olive oil, 100% pure 1,000 grams, or approximately 35 ounces. Distilled water, 380 grams, or 13.4 ounces. Sodium hydroxide, lye 130 grams, or 4.6 ounces. Optional essential oils, 10 to 20 grams, or 0.35 to 0.7 ounces, for scent, e.g., lavender, tea tree. Step-by-step process. Prepare the lye solution. Slowly add 130 grams of lye to 380 grams of distilled water, never the other way around. Stir gently until the lye dissolves completely. Let it cool to around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat the olive oil. In a large pot, heat 1,000 grams of olive oil to about 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit to match the temperature of the lye solution. Mix the lye and oil. Slowly pour the cooled lye solution into the warmed olive oil, stirring gently at first. Use an immersion blender to blend the mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches trace, which is when the mixture thickens and leaves a trail when drizzled on top. Optional: add essential oils. If you want to add fragrance, stir in 10 to 20 grams of your favorite essential oils at this point. Pour and cure. Pour the mixture into a mold and smooth the top. Cover the mold with a towel and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. Once solidified, unmold and cut the soap into bars. Allow the bars to cure for 4 to 6 weeks in a well-ventilated area, flipping occasionally. Why Castile soap? Eco-friendly, made from vegetable oils, no animal fats or synthetic ingredients, versatile, can be used for hand washing, body wash, household cleaning, etc. Gentle, great for sensitive skin due to its natural ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.